Hello children, good morning. I am your Hatasvi teacher from St. Thomas School. Till now we have completed our 3 units. I hope you all have written question answers and exercises till unit 3 in your fair book. So today in this video we will see our unit number 4. The name of our unit is Beginning of Human Life. There are evidences of prehistoric life of man which tell us about the changes which have come in his life over the years. We have many evidences of the people or a man who were living before many of the years, and we can see the changes of that day and today's our life. This process of evolution of man has taken millions of years. From that time means millions of years before and today, for making the changes in the life, it takes millions of years. We get information about the early life of man by the tools and weapons found. We have found many tools and weapons. From that we can get the information about early life of the man. These ages has been named as the Stone Age by historians. That age is named as Stone Age by the historians. This has been further subdivided into 3 stages, and after that Stone Age is divided into 3 stages, namely Old Age, Hunters and Gatherers stage, then Middle Stone Age, and third is New Stone Age, means Farmer stage. Stone Age is divided into 3 categories. These are: first is Old Stone Age, means the hunterers and their age. Then second one is Middle Stone Age, means middle one. And third one is New Stone Age, means farmers and all. Primitive man was a hunter and gatherer who hunted animals, fish and birds for food. Primitive man was a hunter and gatherer, means they hunt animals, fish for their foods. He also used fruit, vegetables, leaves and roots of plants of that region. They also eat fruit, vegetables, leaves and root which are available in their regions, means in their areas. Man gained knowledge and skill as he tried to overcome the difficulties in his life. As difficulties come in their life, the man gain, means man get knowledge and skill, and he tried to solve that difficulties. He explored the different trees and plants. He also learned whether the leaves and fruits were edible, medicinal or poisonous. They explored, means they take out the trees and plants, and they also learned that the leaves and fruit of that tree are used for medical, it is edible or it is poisonous. To share this knowledge, he developed sign language. To share the knowledge with different mans, they used the sign language, means as we are speaking in English, Gujarati, different languages, at that time they used to speak with each other, to communicate with each other in a sign language. He moved from place to place in search of food and gradually started settling near rivers as water was essential for survival. They moved from one place to another in search of food, and they started living near the river as we can survive with water. Next topic is tools and weapons. The major part of information that we have about the primitive man is obtained from the tools which he used. Means the most of the information which we get about the weapons or about the primitive man we can get from the tools which they were using. The different tools were made from stone, wood, and bones, which were used for different activities. Most of the tools means different tools were made from stone, wood, and bones, and they were using these different tools for different activities. The variety in tools also indicate the kinds of activities an early men were engaged in. From the different tools we can know the different activities which were made or which primitive men were engaged in. Means they were busy in doing different activities. Dear children, you can see the different tools and weapons in diagram number 4.3. Out of the various tools, some were used for cutting and crushing, and some were used as spears, bows, and arrows. So, out of the different tools, some tools were used for cutting and crushing. Means we are crushing different things in mixture at that time. Different tools were used for crushing, and some were used for spear, bows, and arrows, and other tools were used for bows and arrows and spears. Apart from hunting, the tools like the hammer were also used for making hunts and shelters. Then apart from hunting, the other activity of primitive man was the tools like the hammer were also used for making huts and shelters. Means hammer is used for making hut and shelter. Discovery of fire. Whether the archaeologists have found remains of the early man shelters, evidences of ash have also been found. Means where the historians have found the shelter, means the houses of the early man, they also found these ashes of there in different places. By this we come to know that the early man had learned to the use of fire. From these evidences we can also know that they learned how to make fire, and they were also using the fire. Fire was used to cook raw food, protect them from wild animals, and also for the warmth and light. Means fire were used for cooking raw food, then they can protect from the wild animals with the help of fire, and they can also get warmth, and they can also get light. So dear children, rest of this chapter we will see in our next video. Thank you.